Yeah, so some guys set this on fire?
Yeah.
Just random?
Just random. He had his window down.
What the hell?
I guess he was trying to throw some bricks through a window, and he tried to set up another. I guess he did set another fire, and they just got done putting that one out.
Oh
so
wow, that's the one I heard was the one by Ulta Beauty.
Yep.
So this was just on his way over there.
Yeah, because he was in the Porta-John and the...
Wow, that's crazy. Sorry that happened to you guys. One of your trucks?
Yeah,
Oh shit.
luckily that dude in that Tacoma was right here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wow.
he saw it. I couldn't see it
fire
up
out
on the scaffold there,
Yeah,
so
the
he
fire
ran over with the extinguisher for me before it got too
We
bad.
didn't even know it was on fire until we seen them running
Because
back.
we're all three like, what the hell? We're like, does he get tased? You know,
So a good Samaritan came by with a fire extinguisher, put it out?
yeah.
Wow, dude.
That's
Oh wow. Not too much damage, but crazy. Thank you. Oh yeah. There it is. So this is the original report right here. Pallets on fire outside Ulta Beauty.
Traffic Houston 1.
Camera tape is up.
Fire Battalion 3, can you attach to an engine force call?
AFM.
Nolan, yeah.
Adam 32, Audible 1.
No, that's
Adam 32. Control Adam 32 en route 18610, Highway 1, covers laundry room door, with activation.
You want John to take the body, or are you going to take the
Yeah, probably. But his
I'm
car
parked
is
across the street. I ran across the street.
I'll just
Down South 3, 1021, subject line.
Fire was a debris fire that was inside the cab of the vehicle prior to our arrival. But witnesses put it out with an extinguisher.
That's where that's up. Start there and get somebody else to at least go over.
yeah. I'll probably just have Stevens hang out with him in the car here.
Yeah, so he popped out. So that's who I got the flag down by parking. So
471 will handle.
I think I saw this. This is yours. No, this is a Why don't I give you a right back over? Okay.
Engine 1.
Yeah, I'm on scene with the owner of the vehicle that had the fire. I told him to stand by so that PD unit can come over here and take a report when available.
City Fire copy. '27 out of 14.
Shows out at